Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your science teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your science class. My dear students, as you know that today we are going to start chapter number 10 from your Science 4 books, and the name of our chapter is Technology in Everyday Life. Today I am going to give you a complete introduction. So these are the student learning outcomes that will be covered in this chapter. And my dear students, a brief introduction of this chapter is that the technology has its roots in craft making. A renowned American scientist, Walter Lewis Alvisor, is a Nobel laureate, the most prestigious award holder, that is Nobel Prize in 1968 in physics. He invented many valuable machines, equipment such as radar system, direction indicators, design landing system for aircrafts, etc. The roots of this great discoveries and inventions lie in his father's decision, that is to subject his son to learn arts along with regular studies instead of academic studies only. Crafting strengthens the ability to materialize one's imaginations. They are unlimited, developing the best technologies in the world. The basic crafts of this level are paper crafts, clay molding, etc. The following chapter reflects this thought through different crafts. Are you ready to dwell in the area sea of creation? So my dear students, basically आपको start किस चीज़ से दिया गया है कि एक scientist है जिसको नोबेल प्राइज़ मिला था और उसने बहुत सारी इन्वेंशंस की. उसके फादर ने उसको रेगुलर स्टडीज़ का नहीं कहा, बल्कि उसको कहा कि आप क्राफ्ट लर्न करें, आप आर्ट्स के बारे में सीखें, क्योंकि आर्ट्स जो है और क्राफ्ट जो है ये आपकी इमेजिनेशन को, वट एवर यू आर इमेजिनिंग, ये उसको स्ट्रेंथन करने में हेल्प करता है. आप उसको पेपर पे या किसी भी क्राफ्ट के ज़रिए जो है वो प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इसके बाद जो है ही वॉज अवॉर्डेड विद नोबेल प्राइज़, क्योंकि उसको उसकी इमेजिनेशंस जो थी वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग थी और वो उनको सिर्फ इमेजिनरी नहीं रहने देता था, बल्कि उसको करके भी दिखाता था. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस चैप्टर में आपकी एज ग्रुप के लिहाज से कुछ क्राफ्ट जो है वो हम आपको लर्न करवाएंगे, जिसमें पेपर क्राफ्ट, मोल्डिंग वगैरह शामिल है. हर चीज़ को हम प्रैक्टिकली डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करेंगे, जिसको आप लोग बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद लेक्चर नंबर 1, in which the students will be able to practice techniques of folding, cutting, tearing and pasting papers, cardboard to make objects and patterns. Then in lecture number 2, the students will be able to design paper bags, envelopes, cards, face masks, etc. So my dear students, once you will learn different techniques with papers, folding, tearing and etc., then you will be able to design a lot of other things. Then in lecture number 3, the students will be able to make envelopes. Then lecture number 3B, the students will be able to design face masks. Then in lecture number 4, the students will be able to design models of spheres, cubes, prisms, cylinders and cone with the clay or Play-Doh. Then in lecture number 5, the students will design models again with the clay. Then in lecture number 6, the students will design hammer, wheel, rollers and gears using clay or Play-Doh. So my dear students, lecture number 6 में बच्चे जो है Play-Doh को use करते हुए hammer जो है वो बनाएंगे. Then in lecture number 7, the students will design wheels, gears and rollers with the help of Play-Doh. Then in lecture number 8, the students will operate tablets, mobile phones for use of calculator, alarm clock and calendar. Then in lecture number 9, the students will be able to operate mobile phones for taking snapshots. Then in lecture number 10, the students will be able to recognize the items of first aid box. In lecture number 11, the students will be able to use digital and clinical thermometer externally to measure body temperature. So my dear students, lecture number 11 में बच्चों को thermometer की help से body temperature और external temperature जो है वो measure करवाया जाएगा. Then in lecture number 12, the students will check blood pressure by digital blood pressure monitor. Then the lecture number 13 will be the review of this chapter, in which you will revise all the student learning outcomes and reading pages. By the end, I will provide you with an assessment sheet to evaluate you. So my dear students, you will learn a lot of things and you will enjoy this chapter. So stay tuned for all the activities. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.